Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between PropStream versus BatchLead versus PropFire. So basically the strength of PropStream is that it's best in class MLS, comps and valuation tools and excellent for pulling motivated seller lists. Deep filters, tax liens, bankruptcy, code violations, integrated marketing campaigns, postcards, landing pages and reliable for research and analytics. While the weakness of PropStream is that no SMS marketing or advanced pipeline tools, mobile app lacks driving for dollars features, and steeper learning curve for beginners and monthly cost adds up with ads on. PropStream is best for data-driven wholesalers and MLS comps and market research. It is ideal for investors who need accurate comps, strong filters, and detailed property level data. While the strength of BatchLead is that it has industry leading for SMS campaigns and skip tracing, powerful list stacking and segmentation, and great for lead management, team tracking, follow-ups. And it is robust filtering for motivated seller leads and built for high volume cold outreach. Weakness of BatchLead is that SMS and skip tracing can get very expensive at scale, less emphasis on data accuracy versus PropStream, needs setup time to unlock full potential, and no MLS comps estimates may be off. BatchLead is best for cold calling or SMS outreach and high volume outreach teams. BatchLead best for used focused on SMS outreach, cold calling and advanced list segmentation. The strength of PropFire is that 100% free to use, no subscriptions, access to nationwide property data and great for beginners or low budget operations, and pulls from public record and MLS data sources and clean modern interface for fast in list building. And the weakness of PropFire is that no marketing tools, mail, SMS, CRM, etc. and no team features, CRM or list stacking, not suited for scaling campaigns, limited support and updates compared to paid tools. PropFire is best for beginners or low budget users and die list builders. PropFire is perfect for beginners or small scale investors needing free access to property data without marketing features. So basically this is the difference between PropStream versus BatchLeads versus PropFire. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.